Hello, Moneymakers. We have been watching motivational shorts on YouTube, which was repurposed from podcast and famous speakers. However, some channels has been demonetized due to repetitive content, as almost everyone is doing the same thing. Hence, I was researching on YouTube for new motivational video niche, and I found this channel. They have over 250,000 subscribers by just uploading 78 videos. Their oldest video was uploaded back in February, and this channel is monetized as well. Isn't it amazing? Also, they are not using anyone's content, so there is no headache of copyright claims too. So I did my homework on how to create such motivational story videos with the help of AI, and in this video, I will show you how to create this type of videos with AI automation and generate a lot of videos every day. The more videos you post, the more revenue and subscribers you will get. I really worked for almost 2 days to show this process end to end, from script writing to editing videos. Henceforth, I request you to watch this video till the end, as I believe is providing valuable content to my subscribers for free. Take a glass of fresh orange juice and let's get started. Alright, now I'm going to show you 2 different methods for creating this type of video. The first one is creating the video using Shortmake AI. If you are using this tool, all work will be done with the AI. And in the second one, we will do all the work manually. This way, you will understand and choose the right method which suits best for you. Alright, let's start with method 1. First of all, we need to create a story or script for the video. Take a look on this channel. This channel posted a video on moral and motivation story. And to create this type of story, first we need to copy the transcript of this video, as that will work as a script of our video. But there is no option available to copy transcripts from YouTube Shorts. So here I will show you an amazing trick which you can use to download the script from YouTube Shorts. Let's open one of these videos. Now from the URL link, just remove Shorts word and replace it with video. This way, your short video will appear as a long-form video. Then click on transcript button and copy the whole script from there. So this way you can get a transcript from any YouTube short video and open ChatGPT. Then ask ChatGPT, can you please provide me a short moral and motivation story about 150 words for my YouTube short video? Also, I will provide an example story for the reference. After that, paste the script which we copy from the reference channel. And look at this, ChatGPT provides an amazing story, the same as the reference story. That's amazing. And also provide a moral line in the last part of the story. However, you can also use the same story just as ChatGPT to rewrite the story for you. So your video will appear unique, as the names and characters will be changed by ChatGPT. Now let's ask ChatGPT to write 2 more stories like the above ones. Yeah, so again, ChatGPT provides an amazing story. So this way you can generate many stories with ChatGPT. Alternatively, you can also find many stories from Google as well. After finding a story, just ask ChatGPT to rewrite the story, and that's it. You can also use this story in your video as well.
Do you want prompts that I personally use to write scripts for my channels? Then just hit that subscribe and like button and comment down below. I will pick your comments from the studio and reply you with the amazing prompts which you might have not used before in your journey as a giveaway.
Alright, our script is ready. Now we need a voiceover, background images, music, and also we need to edit it as well, which is also the hardest part of this process because many of my viewers don't know editing too. So don't worry, your AI Maskman will show you an amazing tool in which you can create this type of videos with just a few clicks without any editing experience. Open your browser and search for the Shortmake AI. Open the link and select Start for free. After signing up, you will get 170 credits free to create a demo video. Now click on Create a Video. Here you can also generate scripts in many languages. Just enter the prompt and hit Generate. But we already have a script, so let's enter our script here. You can enter script up to 1480 characters. Now here you have to write the topic of your video. That you can also get the option to choose background music, so choose one which suits your niche. I will go with experience and motivation. Now select the voice from these available options.
Hi, I'm Brandon, and I am a more realistic voice than you might expect.
I will go with TikTok Man, then select the image style. So many options are there, such as realistic 3D style, artwork, comic book, or many more. As of now, I will select cinematic. Now hit generate.
A young creator named Liam uploaded his new video hoping it would do well, so he could help his parents financially that night. He could hardly sleep, partly from excitement, and partly because his parents couldn't afford to pay for heating.
This tool also gave option to edit the subtitle. You can choose from this available option, or you can also edit or customize this. Choose color and word limit, or you can also edit the transcript from here. Now, what if you don't like one of these images? Don't worry, you can also edit the images by changing the image generation prompt. Suppose here, I will remove the prompt and write a young boy lying on a bed with open eyes. Now choose image style and hit generate. So within a few seconds, our image will be generated. So this way, you can also change images if it requires in your video. However, you can add any image from your device also. Other than this, you can choose overlay such as flame, camera burn, grid effect, or many more. You can also adjust the speed of the video from here. Now let's create this video in 3D animation style. There you go, here's the result of 3D animation style video. That's great, right? Now download this video and upload it to your channel. All right, now let's move on to the next method. Method 2. In this method, we also need to generate a script, but we already have a script. So now let's generate the voiceover. For the voiceover, you can use any AI voice generator tool. Or if you have a good voice, you can record your own voice also. So as of now, I will generate voiceover with 11 Labs. It's a perfect tool to generate a realistic human-like voiceover. All right, open 11 Labs, click on Voices. Open Voice Library, choose category, gender, age, language, and accent from the filters. Then choose a voice which suits your video. I will go with Adam's voice because it is very popular in this type of niche. But if you want a unique voice, you can go with another voice. Now paste your script and hit generate and download it on your computer. Now the next thing we need to do is generate background images with any image generator tool. But before that, let's ask ChatGPT to write an image generation prompt for each line of the above story. So as a result, ChatGPT provides a prompt for each line of the story. Now open any image generator tool. I will use Leonardo AI, sign in your account, and select image generation from the dashboard. After that, select concept art from the presets, then choose contrast and generation mode. After that, select the 9:16 ratio from here, then choose a number of images and select 3D sculpt from these options. Enter your prompt, which you generated with ChatGPT, and hit enter. As a result, you will get this type of image. If you don't like, add more details in your prompt and generate the image. And Leonardo uses 40 tokens to generate 4 images, so you cannot generate many images with a free account. Alright, after generating images, we need to merge them in any editor tool. I will use CapCut. You can use any tool of your choice. Open CapCut and import all the images in VoiceOver track. After that, drag the VoiceOver track into the timeline. You can also change speed from here. Now drag all the images in the upper layer. Make sure the images will sync with the audio. Now click on images and one by one, add animation to each image. This way, it will look amazing and people will love your video. Now click on text and choose auto caption. Then select the language and hit create. After that, choose subtitle style from the available templates, or you can also customize by your own and add animation into it. Now, add effects, filters, and transitions to make your video more unique and attractive. There are many effects available such as light, glitter, spark, or many more. Use this effect and make your video engaging. Or you can also add sound effects from CapCut audio library. At last, add background music. If you are uploading on YouTube, choose music from the YouTube audio library to avoid copyright issues. Or if you're uploading on Instagram or TikTok, you can use any trending song from their own library. Import the music into CapCut, set the volume, and there it is, your video is ready. Click on export and download it on your computer. As you can see, the second method is a bit hard and it requires a lot of hard work. However, if you use Shortmake AI, it will do all the work for you.
Since you have watched our video till the end, and if you want to support us, you can click on join button to become our member and avail exclusive member benefits.
Now let's take a look at the video which we have created.
A young creator named Liam uploaded his new video, hoping it would do well, so he could help his parents financially. That night he could hardly sleep, partly from excitement and partly because his parents couldn't afford to pay for heating, and it was freezing cold. In the morning, Liam eagerly checked the view count and was thrilled to see it was doing well. As he was feeling satisfied, he noticed a comment. He hoped to build a community to give viewers a 60-second escape from their daily lives, just as he escaped from his own struggles through his videos.